Hello everyone, this is the next chapter, handling email with PHP. In this chapter we will see how to send email using PHP. Everyone know that how to send emails because everyone is using email in daily life. Some are using the Yahoo Mail, some are using Rediff Mail or Gmail. Gmail is a popular. Now nowadays all are using the Gmail. We are just clicking on a compose, you are creating the one new draft or new email. In that you are entering message sent to, okay, to, then you are entering the information in subject field, then you are writing the information in message part, means the body part, and you are just attaching and you are sending the files, sending the mail to the anyone. And this is a simple procedure. But how to do this? What is the logic behind that? So, this all we will learn in this chapter, handling email with PHP. Email background. Email means what? Email or electronic mail is the fastest method of transferring of message. Okay, we are simply saying email messages. Okay, over computer network like the internet, because when you want to send the email you need an internet connection. Okay, PHP built-in support for creating and sending email messages. Here is the functions. By using this function you can send the messages, and it's very easy to send email from within your PHP script. Just you need to use the messages, you need to use the template, and in that you need to enter the information. Okay, here is a one more term, MIME. What is mean by MIME? MIME means multipurpose internet mail extension. Okay, why we are using the MIME? Originally email was a text only communication medium, means at that time you can only send the text messages via email. Then it was extended to carry multimedia content attachment. Okay, nowadays we can send the multimedia content attachment, so this is known as multipurpose internet mail extension, MIME. And MIME also provides for sending email with attachment. Nowadays we are using this, we are sending the email with the multiple attachment. It may be image or any PDF or any file. Okay, you can use it. Then email system is based on client server architecture. Then what is mean by client? What is mean by server? Okay, the email server is a machine or group of machines which accept, then forward, delivers and stores messages. See, we are using the email server and it is a machine, or it is a single machine, or maybe it is a group of machine which accept the mail from the sender, then it will forward or delivers and stores the messages. Sender and receiver of the messages need not be online at the same time. It's very important, and we are experiencing that sender and receiver of the messages are not be online at the same time, because you can read the message anytime. Someone had sent the message to you before the 2 hours. You can read now. Okay, here is no need both the sender and receiver online at the same time. Okay, to send an email messages in PHP you can use the mail function. Which function you can use? You can use the mail function. On Unix servers such as Linux and Mac OS, PHP uses the operating system's built-in mail transfer agent. Okay, what we are using here for the Unix servers, we are using the mail transfer agent to send a email. Okay, on non-Unix servers such as Windows, PHP talks directly to an SMTP mail server. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. We will learn this is SMTP, MTA, MDA in next part. Okay, so this is about the background of email messages. Now we will see the working of mail messages. See, in this diagram, here is a sender outbox and recipient inbox. Means someone is sending the mail from his account. Okay, and recipients will get this mail on his inbox. So from where we are checking the mail is sent or not? Outbox or the sent box. Okay, and where you will get the new mail? In the recipient's inbox you will get the new mail. Okay, so here is a see, first block is showing the sender to recipient, but when we are sending messages from sender outbox to the recipient inbox, there is a multiple agents, multiple processes and actors are there. So let's see about this. See in diagram there is a first part A. Here is a MUA, senders mail client. Okay, MUA. What is mean by MUA? The MUA is the application the sender means who composes the mail, who are sending the mail, uses to compose and read email such as a Eudora, Outlook, Thunderbird. You can use the any. Okay, most of the people know about the Outlook. Okay, then see at the B, senders MDA or MTA. What is mean by MDA? Mail delivery agent. Or what is mean by MTA? Mail transfer agent, means the MTA. Okay, MDA and MTA is here now. So mail delivery agent means what, or message delivery agent means what? Is a computer software component. It is a computer software component that is responsible for the delivery of email messages to the local recipient's client. Okay, what is mean by MDA? It is a computer software component. It is a part of a software component and it is responsible for delivery of email messages to whom? To the recipient, to local recipient's mailbox. Okay, and next is MTA. MTA means what? It is a message transfer agent. MTA means message transfer agent or mail transfer agent. You can say the message or mail transfer agent. Or mail relay is a software that transfer electronic mail messages from one computer to the another computer by using client server architecture. See what is mean by MDA? MDA is for delivering and the responsibility of MDA is to send the message to the recipient inbox. MTA means what? Mail transfer agent. Okay, it will transfer the message from one computer to the other computer using the client server architecture. Okay, now C is your computer network, and at next is D. D is here sender mail server. Okay, sender's mail server means when we are sending the message there is also the mail server. When we are receiving the mail any email or any message, at that time there is a recipient mail server. Okay, so see here sender's mail server. So for the sender's mail server there is a email queue, so you can send the one by one messages. Here is a first come first serve basis is applied. So in a queue the message which is sent first, it will goes to the router. Then router means what? What is the working of a router? Router routes these messages to the recipient mail server via network. Okay, and before the receiving this messages there is a one more thing. See the F point here, spam and virus blockers. So we are using the different software for this. Okay, so it will first filter for the spam and viruses in that mail or in that message. First we will check for this, then it will transfer to the recipient's mail server. Okay, that is your MTA. Then it gives to the computer network. Again here is computer network is in focus. Then it will send this via this computer network. It will go to the recipient's MDA or MTA.